All right, cool. In this next video, I'm going to show you to get your how to get your API key. Now, don't get discouraged. This is very simple. It's just a little piece of code that you need to get from Mailchimp or any other autoresponder that you're using. And an API key is basically just a piece of code that you need that we will take from your autoresponder. It will copy and paste it, and then when we build our website, we just copy and paste it in there. So that way our autoresponder, which is Mailchimp, can talk to our website creator, which is ClickFunnels. So they're two different things, but the API key is what makes these two softwares talk to each other. So if we come back to Mailchimp, here is again basically our email sequence. We got our, as earlier, that we created the 3 emails, and so like basically keep creating your emails until you're full and done. But right now we're going to get our API key. So super simple stuff. So what you want to do is basically come up to your little section here where I guess it's like your profile, I guess you want to say. Click on the down button, and then we're going to go to, let's see, there was a button that used to say extras. Well, let's try this one. All right, here we go. So when we click on that button onto your account, you'll come to this little section where it says extras. Click on it, and then here's your API key right here. Click on it, and so here we go. Come on down a little bit. If I take a second or two to think about this stuff, it's just because like Mailchimp and Facebook and everything online changes their stuff around a little bit. Like for some reason, like the button might be somewhere else whenever you see this video. So in 3 years from now, if you're watching this video, the API key might be somewhere else, but everything is like super easy to do. So, but just follow along with me. It's not gonna be that complicated because we're already here. So we're on the page where your API key will be shown. So let's come down a little bit more because we don't have an API key yet. We have to create one. So just click on this button, API key, or click on a key, and it's going to come up. It's going to create an API key, and this is what you got to do. It's super simple. All right. Keep scrolling down. Here's our API key that we just created. Just simply click on it, copy it, and then for now, just come to your Word document. I use Google Docs. Just come here and paste it. Now that's all we need to do for now. Just save it because we don't need it right now, but that's where your API key is. So just do that. So like I said, Mailchimp and every other software in the world changes their stuff around for no goddamn reason. So like, yeah. So basically, if you want, when you find it, just go to your section here, go to your account section, and then when the next page shows up, go to extras, click on extras. The drop down key will be API keys right here, and that's where you go to create your API key. So basically go down, create it, and save it, and put it in your Google Docs or whatever, wherever you save your information. But we're going to need this later. So we don't need it now, but we're getting it now so we don't have to come back to this website. So this is going to be the last step as far as our email sequence goes, because we got our email sequences already created, and now we have our API key, and now we don't have to come back here to Mailchimp ever again, or that is until you want to create another email. So just save your API key right here, and you can just list it so you know what it is. API key, bam, done. So now we have that saved, and then when we need this, we'll just come back, copy it, and we'll paste it into our website creator. So that's all you need to do for this section is just get your API key, save it, and we'll have it for next time. So, but yeah, whenever you want to write your emails, just do what I showed you in the previous videos. But for right now, we got our API key, and that's all we need. So we're going to save this, and then when we build out our website in the next section, I'll show you how to use this. So it's going to be simple and easy. Just copy and paste, just like we just did. This is what you pay your social media people the big bucks for, is for knowing this little stupid stuff. So there's nothing hard about this. So don't get scared or confused about tech stuff. It's just a bunch of letters and words, letters and numbers. So save it, and I'll see you in the next video where we're going to build out our ClickFunnels account, and then I'll show you how easy that is as well. So see you next video. Save this for now.